Are you currently using hashtags in your YouTube videos? In my previous video, I discussed what hashtags mean, how to add them, and how to use them to get more views. Click the link in the card after you've watched this video to get up to speed on the new YouTube hashtag feature. In this video, you'll discover 4 YouTube hashtag tips and tricks you can use right away so you can get even more views. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So what are the main benefits of using hashtags in your YouTube videos? Number 1, it helps your videos get discovered. For example, the hashtags appear as clickable links right above your video title. So when someone's watching your video, they can click one of the hashtags and discover more of your videos. When viewers watch more of your videos, they'll stay longer on YouTube, which equals more watch time. When you get more watch time, your videos have a higher probability of ranking YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos. Number 2, it helps viewers find your videos when they search for a specific hashtag. For example, if you enter my YouTube channel hashtag isitebuild in the YouTube search box, other videos from my channel will appear. Number 3, it's an easy way to find videos around popular topics. For example, if you wanted to find videos on meditation music, you can just enter the hashtag meditation music in the YouTube search box. The top videos will appear for that hashtag you've entered in the YouTube search box. Here are my 4 YouTube hashtag tips and tricks that you can use to get more views to your videos. Number 1, research popular hashtags. If you're stuck for what kind of hashtags you can add to your YouTube videos, then search Instagram. For example, if I go to instagram.com and enter video marketing in the search box, then I'll get a bunch of suggested hashtags that I can use for my YouTube videos. For example, video marketing has over 250,000 posts. Video marketing tips have over 4,000 posts, and video marketing services have over 1,000 posts. If you want to find trending hashtags, you can just go to your Twitter account and look under Trends for You. Another way to find popular hashtags is to use a YouTube hashtag generator. When I googled hashtag generator, I got the all hashtag generator. I entered YouTube hashtags in the search box and it gave me the 30 most relevant hashtags based upon my searching key. Another great hashtag generator tool is displaypurposes.com. You simply type a few hashtags in the search box and the relevant hashtags show up below. Number 2, identify a unique hashtag for your own YouTube channel. You can simply use your own channel name as a unique hashtag or come up with a completely different name. So if somebody clicks on your channel name hashtag that you've added in your video description and appears above your video title, other videos related to your channel will appear on that page. In this case, I added the channel hashtag in the description of all the videos under a specific playlist. As a result, all the videos in that playlist appear on the page when somebody clicks on the channel hashtag. This means you could create a special hashtag for a group of videos in a playlist. That's a great idea. Number 3, promote an event. For example, when I entered the hashtag VidSummit in the YouTube search box, this guy's video appeared at the top. This was because he added the VidSummit hashtag to his video. You can do the same if you want to attract people to an event that you're holding in your local area. Number 4, build a community. Perhaps you've built up an interactive community on a Facebook group. You could come up with a unique hashtag that only your community knows about. They can then help promote your videos by using the hashtag on their social media platforms. It's a great way to expand your community. If you want to join my Facebook group, Tube Video Bootcamp, click the link in the description below this video. You'll be able to interact with like-minded creators and get your questions answered. Here are some important things to keep in mind when using hashtags. You can use uppercase or lowercase letters in your hashtags. It doesn't make any difference. Avoid using spaces in your hashtags when you join 2 or more words together. Only use relevant hashtags. Avoid using hashtags that are not related to your video content. If you do, YouTube may take down your video. Avoid using too many hashtags. YouTube recommends a maximum of 15 hashtags. Keep in mind that only the first 3 hashtags will appear above your video title. If you use 15 hashtags, YouTube will select the best 3. My last tip is to get started now. Why not capitalize on this new hashtag feature that YouTube has introduced? It's a great way to get your videos discovered, especially if you're a small channel. Let me ask you an important question. Are you currently adding hashtags to your YouTube videos? If so, please share any hashtag tips and tricks you've discovered that work well for you. I'd love to read your comment, and I'm sure others would too. But how do I rank my videos in YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos so I can get even more views and subscribers? Don't worry, just click the link in the card to watch my video series on how to rank YouTube videos. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.